Tinyman Crypto Swap Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to Tinyman are in the description. Tinyman is a decentralized, non-custodial swapping platform built on the Algorand blockchain, offering fast, low-cost token swaps and liquidity provision. Unlike traditional exchanges, Tinyman operates through automated market maker (AMM) technology, allowing users to trade directly from their wallets without intermediaries. Since it's built on Algorand, it benefits from high-speed transactions and extremely low fees, making it an attractive option for traders looking for efficiency. One of Tinyman's standout features is its permissionless liquidity pools, enabling anyone to add liquidity and earn rewards from trading fees. Users can provide assets to these pools and receive liquidity provider (LP) tokens, which can be redeemed later along with a portion of the trading fees. This makes Tinyman not just a swap platform, but also a way for users to earn passive income. Security is a priority on Tinyman, as it operates using smart contracts audited for safety. While an early vulnerability was exploited in 2022, the team responded quickly with security upgrades, ensuring stronger contract resilience. Additionally, Tinyman remains fully decentralized, meaning users maintain complete control over their funds at all times, eliminating risks associated with centralized platforms. For usability, Tinyman has a clean, user-friendly interface, making it easy for both new and experienced traders to swap tokens with just a few clicks. Since it is built for Algorand assets, it offers seamless compatibility with Algorand Standard Assets (ASA), allowing for a wide range of token swaps within the Algorand ecosystem. In summary, Tinyman is an excellent choice for fast, low-cost, and secure crypto swaps on Algorand. It's ideal for traders looking to swap ASA tokens efficiently, as well as liquidity providers wanting to earn fees. With its decentralized and non-custodial nature, it ensures maximum user control and transparency. If you're in the Algorand ecosystem and need a reliable swap platform, Tinyman is worth checking out. Links are in the description. Give it a try today.